Hello everyone, I am Jahnavi and today I am here with you with one more introduction video of chapter number 1 of class 9th natural means number system chapter introduction of simplify irrational numbers. Okay, so first of all we will start that what are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are those numbers which are not in form of p by q. They are not in form of p by q. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are those numbers which are in form of p by q, isn't it? So first of all, to indicating this irrational number, we will take an example of pi r. Okay, we will take an example of pi r and root 2. Just a square root. Okay, just identify this. And what we will do, you know that to identify pi r, what our teachers gave in question paper, they give 222 by 7. They give this number, and one more number they give is 3.14 number they give. But this is not the exact point, and this is not the exact number for the pi r, because pi r is an irrational number. We can't find the exact value of this number, of this pi. Okay, now let's go to this. If I ask what is this, what sign indicate it, you will say this indicate root or root square. Okay, again this indicate. If I give you a number like 4, what will be the square of this number, root square of this number? The number is, you will tell 2, isn't it? But if I ask you to find the root square of number 3, are you able to find? Are you able to find the number of this number? No, I hope you don't. So let us include this. If you know the answer, please write to in the comment section. So now I will tell you how to identify the irrational number. As you know, if in square root the number like 3, square root, the number that is under the square root, if they have their perfect square, then they are rational number. But if they don't have their perfect square, it means I have taken the number 4, you need and you give me the answer, that is 2. It is the 2 is the number of the perfect square 4, isn't it? But you don't know the exact answer of this question. You know that the exact answer if the question will only come this much, answer will become. Okay, but it is not the valid number. It can be go to the millions and trillions of the numbers. It don't have a end of the concept. Okay, I hope you understand about it, got it by this point. So I hope what are irrational numbers, you know. Irrational numbers are those numbers which are not under thing. This 3, this is a square root. Okay, under the square root there is a number that is 7. Okay, you can't find their perfect square, means it is an irrational numbers. What is it? It is an irrational numbers. You are not able to find their perfect square, so this is irrational number. Understand? Got it? So I have to tell you one more thing, that to indicate any of the number, like I have told you about natural numbers, isn't it? I tell you about natural numbers, I tell you about whole numbers, I tell you about integers and rational numbers. But did I tell you how to denominate this number? Did I tell you? No, I didn't. So I will tell you how to denominate it as which number. So for denominating this natural number, you will write n. For denominating whole number, you will write w. For integers, there is a special word that is z. Don't forget. Z should be the integer sign and denominated at z. Okay. And for rational number, you will like q. Okay. And for irrational number, you can write any of the number, for any of the letter, write r, s, t. But I will denominate it as q complement. Okay, q complement. Complement means it doesn't it. Matlab this, I want to say that q means rational number. Those are rational number, and this signs indicate they are not rational number. So it indicated as irrational number. I hope you got it, my point, isn't it? Got it? And by combining, if we combine all these numbers, they form a very special number which is known as real numbers, okay, got it? What are they known as? If we combine all these numbers, they get form a real number. Okay, got it guys? One more thing, you always say na, let's go and represent this number on number line. Okay, but no, you will not say it as number line, you will say it as real number line. What you will say? Real number line. Okay, you will say it as real number line, and you will denominate this real number as r. Okay, so what is the exact definition of real numbers? Real numbers are those numbers which is the collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, so the collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. And we can say one more thing, that every real number is represented by a unique point. Okay, every real number can be represented at any of the unique point on the number line. Okay, that's why we call the number line as real number line. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is very easy definition, very easy term to got it. So let's quickly summarize that what we have read in our introduction of this chapter. But be careful, I am teaching you this thing again and again and again. So fit this thing in your mind so that it is also useful in your math 10th class, because in your 10th class book there is a first chapter based on real numbers. Okay, so first of all let us summarize it, that when in natural number we add 0, when we add 0 in the natural number, it becomes whole numbers, and when we add negative numbers to the whole numbers, it get converted into integers. And when we add fraction, when we add fraction to the integers, it becomes rational numbers. And rational numbers and irrational numbers, when we add these both, we get the king of this table, real numbers, isn't it? So again let's recall, when we add 0 to natural numbers, it become whole number, and when we add negative number to the whole number, it get converted into integers. And when we add integers and fraction, okay, integers and fraction, they get rational numbers, and when we add rational numbers and irrational number, they become the king real number, isn't it? So I will give you a question and you have to give the answer of this question in the comment section. Okay, so your questions are: every natural number is a whole number. Second question, square root of number 3. Third question, every rational numbers are real number. You have to give the answer. In this question you have to give the answer, it is true or false, and in this also you have to give the answer that it is true or false. And in this you have to find the ratio and the number that is coming for the square root of 3. Okay, so give this answer in the comment section. Please like and subscribe, and also subscribe my YouTube channel, and please share the video. Thank you and have a nice day.